What's up, everybody? This is Eric from B's Computer Solutions. So what I got in my hand is the Galaxy S20 Plus with all blue. And I took this out of the box and I want to show you guys first boot of this device. Now, this is the retail model of the Galaxy S20 Plus in all blue. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So this is the Galaxy S20 Plus in all blue. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I want to show you guys first boot, but let's go and take a look at this device. As you can see at the bottom, you got the USB Type-C speaker grill and a mic. In the back, you got all your camera arrays. All right, on the side, it's clean on this side. All right, when you go up top, you got your SIM tray and your microphone. And when you go on this side here, all right, you have your power button and you have your volume control up and down, as you can see. And you do have a little hump that's sticking out right there. In comparison, let's look at the Galaxy S10 Plus compared to the Galaxy S20 Plus. All right, so as you can see, the Galaxy S20 Plus is a little taller than the Galaxy S10 Plus, but I want y'all guys to see this in comparison because I'm gonna do a camera review between both of these devices and see which one is King Supreme. But I want y'all guys to see that. But let's go and do our first boot here, and I want y'all guys to see that. Look at that. Galaxy S20 5G. There it is. Put this on the table for a second. All right. And we're going to do this first boot and go from there. This is the retail unit of the Galaxy S20 Plus. Booyah. So let's get started. Woo! Yes. Absolutely. Let's go and get started here. Terms and conditions. Boom. Yes, so I'm going to put my Wi-Fi password in and we're going to come back. All right, guys, so this is the first boot of a retail unit here of the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now look at that. I like that wallpaper. It's my first time seeing this, guys, so I'm excited. And there it is. Retail unit, first boot. And I want y'all guys to see that. That's what I'm talking about. Boom. All right, so here it is next to the Galaxy S10 Plus, right? And then both of the displays are absolutely amazing, right? And we can go to, so I'm about to do a camera review with both of these devices, and I want to show y'all guys first boot here with the Galaxy S20 Plus. Here we got photos, we got video, and this is the camera here. We got Pro, we have Pro Video, all right? We got super slow-mo, and we got slow motion, we got hyperlapse, we got all the bells and whistles here. Single take is the one that I want to show you guys here. Single take is going to be nice, and it takes your best shots, ultra wide pictures, crop, small crops, filtered pictures, small clips, and so forth and so on. All right, so that's going to be very nice. So single take is something that I'm going to kind of make a dedicated video about. So stay tuned for that. But this is the first boot of the Galaxy S20 Plus, all blue. That's what I'm talking about. Let me wipe it off a little bit so y'all can get this. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. Ain't she a beauty? Gorgeous. All right, guys, so I just want to show you that this is a retail unit. If you look at it, I have my T-Mobile SIM in it, and I got 5G at the top. Want y'all guys to see that. And I'm going to make a phone call. Yes, indeed. So I'm going to make a phone call. There you go. Yes. There you go. So I got a live phone call going on, as you can hear. I got it on speakerphone. I blocked my number so y'all guys won't see it. But I just made a phone call on the Galaxy S20 Plus retail unit. Beautiful. Got all your camera arrays here. I mean, this thing is absolutely amazing. I love this color. I mean, this color is just beautiful. If you're gonna pick a color, this is the color to go with. Now I know that we have the black one here. I showed that one off, but this is the blue one. Now the black one is pretty too. Don't get me wrong. The black one is nice. But boy, look at that blue. Gorgeous. That's what I'm talking about. So stay tuned and subscribe. I got a lot of videos coming on the Galaxy S20 in all its glory. We're going to get complete detail about this device and we're going to see what it's all about. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S20 Plus in all blue in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Woo! Ain't she sweet? Gorgeous. Later.